So today, 18th of December, we are here at the customer's place. We were referred to this customer by another customer of us, which was nice to us and referred us to come here. We are replacing the old Generac generator with the new one. They had a 20 kilowatts generator that is not functional anymore. It has a lot of hours on it. And then they are replacing it with a brand new one. The old one was 20 kilowatt, but the cables that they used, it was bigger than what we needed, so it's good enough to have a 24 kilowatt generator installed. That was a pretty good thing. Otherwise, they had to change all the wires that's going to the transfer switch, which are underground, and it wasn't easy to do so. So we are using the existing wires. We will take out the old one and replace it with the brand new Generac generator. On the generator, if they do the maintenance like they have done it on this, and this guy has reached the 3,000 hours, more than 14 years old, this generator. So that's it. It doesn't worth doing repairs on this unit. It's better to replace it with a brand new one. They were happy with Generac, so they stayed with Generac. That's a good point about this. Still, the shape, it's not that bad, but the engine is not working anymore. Sounds good. So we are gonna get ready to replace it with the brand new one. The difference is, as you can see, it's a 200 amp transfer switch, but it's not service rated because the cutoff switch already exists in this house. So from the cutoff goes here, and if you can tell here at the top we have the line generator, and the back is the load. Feeds the whole house here. So there is no switch here because the cutoff is already there. This is a non-service rated 200 amp transfer switch. Sounds good. Good. Turn off everything in the house before giving the power. Sounds good. Now I'm gonna ask my colleague to turn on the generator. Please put it on auto. Thank you. So, yep. So it's gonna turn it on. Then we will check. It's gonna switch. If you can see, the mechanism is gonna go down. The yellow thing is gonna go down. Now it's giving the power to the house, but before I turn off the breaker so that I can check the voltage. 240, sorry, 120, 120, perfect. frequency is 60 hertz. 60 hertz. And I'm gonna turn on. Perfect. Now, let's see how much amp it takes. It's taking 10 amp right now, so the house was warm. 25 amp on this line. 10 amp on this line. Here, so serial number is 30
30
15
15 essentially.
no 55.
55.
That's right. Charge you for the battery.
Okay.
We couldn't use the connector. The connectors were not good actually. So
Okay.
we put the tech connectors.
Okay.
They sent you the revised bill.
For the gas you're talking about?
No, for the wires.
Oh, the wire. Okay.
The connectors that they had used, they were interior connectors.
Oh, okay.
So we put the exterior waterproof connector.